Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I heartily welcome
Audible?
session. Today's juries are Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Principal, SJM Law College, Chitradurga, and the co-jury, Dr. Vinit Vimala, Principal, Krishna Law College, Tumakuru. I heartily welcome to you technical session, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
The participants' guidelines are like this. Maximum 10 slides per presentation. 5 minutes will be allotted for the presentation. 2 minutes for questions by the panel. Total 7 minutes are given to the paper presentation. PPT file should be named only with the team code. Do not display the college name or presenter's name in the PPT. Video conferencing is compulsory during the presentation. Following all the above guidelines is mandatory. Following all the above guidelines are mandatory. Non-compliance will lead to be disqualified. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, madam.
Morning.
Namaste.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ inaugural session.
Yes, sir.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್.
Sir. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, madam.
Fine. So session ಇದು paper session ಒಂದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. Technical.
Sure, madam.
Please. Thank you, sir.
Okay, madam.
Yeah. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, madam.
The first participant team code is VP13. You can begin your session, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am team code VP13 and my co-author is also along with me. The topic is regarding constitutional and legal frameworks, Lokayukta. So I'm presenting my PPT. Just a minute. I'm sharing my PPT.
Constitutional
You are
framework for
PPTs, ma'am.
Lokayukta.
Constitutional and legal framework of Lokayukta in India. So I'm requesting the coordinator to accept my share, that is to share my PPT. Is my team visible? PPT visible? Okay. Constitutional and legal frameworks of Lokayukta in India. The introduction to the first Administrative Reforms Commission 1966 suggested creating a two-tier structure, that is Lokpal at the federal, that is the central level, and Lokayukta in the state level. These institutions were intended to serve as an autonomous ombudsman. Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 requires the Lokpal and at the national level and mandates the states to establish the Lokayuktas. And the constitutional and legal frameworks, Directive Principles of State Policy envisages a social order founded on justice and equality. The Indian Constitution does not expressly provide for an ombudsman, while the preamble and part 4 of the Indian Constitution together establish a moral framework demanding probity in public life. Although not explicitly mentioned in the Constitution, these bodies draw legitimacy from the preamble and the Directive Principles of State Policy, Article 1421, which demand fairness, accountability, and integrity in public administration. Article 39, Class B of the Directive Principles of the State Policy directs the states to ensure equitable distribution of the resources. The 2013 Act creates a multi-member Lokpal and mandates states to establish Lokayuktas within a year, empowering them to investigate complaints of corruption, maladministration, and misuse of public office. The Indian Ombudsman concept evolved from global models, particularly Sweden, but took shape in India after repeated attempts between 1968 and 2011. Article 41 of the Indian Constitution mandates the provision of public assistance, thereby requiring an administration-free corruption for their effective realization. Section 3 of Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 establishes the Lokpal as a multi-member body with a chairperson and up to 8 members, half of whom must be judges. The Lokpal is empowered to investigate into claims of corruption against the Prime Minister, ministers, members of Parliament, and officials of the Union government. Section 63 also tells about the Lokayukta and Lokpal Act 2013, gives the provisions regarding the establishment of Lokayukta. Act also requires each state to start and establish an Lokayukta within 1 year of its commencement. Lokpal and Lokayukta, instruments of accountability. The Lokpal at the federal level and the Lokayukta at the state level plays an instruments of institutional accountability, investigating the complaints of corruption or poor administration, abuse of office or maladministration is one of the duties. They have recommended prosecution to conduct preliminary inquiries, order investigations through designated agencies, and carry out prosecution or disciplinary action. Case laws on regarding the corruption and administrative accountability. Vinit Narayan versus Union of India, Prakash Singh versus Union of India, Manohar Lal Sharma versus
Ma'am, you have completed 3 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
2 minutes left.
Vinit Narayan versus Union of India, it emphasizes the independent investigation. Prakash Singh versus Union of India, mandating the police reforms. Manohar Lal Sharma versus Principal Secretary. It also describes the administrative accountability. E.P. Royappa declaring arbitrariness as against Article 14. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, insisting state action must be fair and just. Srileka Vidyarthi versus State of UP, Center for Public Interest Litigation versus Union of India, and Common Cause versus Union of India. So all these case laws are regarding the Supreme Court has repeatedly states the need for independence and fairness in governance. Challenges in implementation. There are some challenges in implementing in procedural aspects in the local ombudsman in the state level as well as the central level. So there is an appointment delay, there is limited jurisdiction and powers, resource constraints, political influence, overlap with other agencies. So I'm concluding my topic is as I'm running out short of the time. India's administrative framework was the creation of the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013. However, because of the limited authority, insufficient funding and delayed implementation, their potential is still underutilized. Accountability and transparency are essential components of good governance in a constitutional democracy. Restoring public confidence, reducing corruption, and promoting constitutional morality and ethical governance are all possible with a strong, independent, and transparent Lokpal and Lokayukta framework. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to presenting my presentation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, madam.
Yes, sir.
Do you explain the Maneka Gandhi's case, the brief fact?
Maneka Gandhi case, you want explanation?
Yes.
Maneka Gandhi case is regarding it insists the state to become, state should pass the, what are the thing, must be in fair and just.
No, I want facts of the case.
Oh, you want the facts of the case? It is the passport impounding case, sir. So that it covers the Article 21, right to privacy. So that is regarding the Maneka Gandhi case, sir.
How it is connected to anti-corruption?
Anti-corruption.
How it connected?
See, they can also approach the ombudsman, sir, as it Lokayukta is an ombudsman. So they can also approach maybe corruption thing.
In India, there is an ombudsman, is there?
India state ombudsman is there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
We also given complaints in the local ombudsman in practical approach also. I also approached the Lokayukta and given a complaint regarding pollution control, sir. It is still pending 90 days. It has not completed. So we are also had an experience in giving a complaint in the state ombudsman. But still it is pending, sir. So after 90 days only we can able to see whether the implementation is getting to happen. Otherwise we have to approach the court.
Okay. Madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, can you ask?
Sir, no.
Can you ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you for your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you for your
Thank you so much.
27 is Umar? Your code is 27?
No, sir, 13. VP 13.
13, sir.
13.
27 is online.
13.
13. Okay.
Yes.
So 27 is online.
Now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
wait a minute, ma'am. Wait a minute.
Yes,
ma'am.
sure.
Just
Next
a minute.
team code is going to be present by VP 6. Are you there? VP 6?
Yes.
Please respond, ma'am.
VP6 is.
Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, kindly present your paper, ma'am. This is time for you. Next, followed by VP9. Be ready. VP6, you can start presentation. Team code VP6, you can start presentation. VP13, please stop sharing your screen, ma'am. Is VP9 team ready for the presentation? Team VP9.
33 is there, 12 is there, 23 is there.
I'm available. VP 36.
33?
VP6, right?
Sir, 36. 36.
36. Wait a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, you can start your presentation, ma'am. This time is yours.
36?
Yes, sir. 36.
Okay.
1 minute, sir. I just need to share my slides. Just a second.
Yeah. Your time starts now, ma'am.
So, ma'am, 1 minute. Just a second. I just need to.
Take a minute and
Yes.
we'll start.
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, code number is 30?
Ma'am, sir, my code number is 36.
36.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, your time starts.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all dignitaries. Today, my presentation paper is From Ombudsman to Watchdog, Reassessing the Lokayukta's Role in Combating Corruption. So, in my first slide, it is corruption undermines governments and democratic integrity. As we know that in our third world country, corruption has long been acknowledged as one of the most pervasive threats to effective governance and economic development and democratic integrity. So in the Indian context, where administrative structures are vast and often elaborate, ensuring accountability poses a significant few challenges are there. So that's why in state level, Lokayukta serves as a key state level ombudsman, and it ensures accountability and investigates maladministration. So though this, despite its strong conceptual foundations, the practical functioning of the Lokayukta has been still now it is inconsistent. In my next slide, it is origin of ombudsman. Actually, we got this concept. It is began in Sweden, 1809. The concept of ombudsman, which forms the philosophical foundation for the Lokayukta in India, originated in early 19th century Scandinavia. The Swedish parliament established the first ombudsman in the year 1809 as an independent authority entrusted with the responsibility of safeguarding citizens against administrative injustice. After that, by time, it started globally adopted by different countries or different provinces to improve their administrative accountability. In my next slide, I would like to present Indian adaptation. That is how India adopted this ombudsman model. It was basically it is India's engagement with the ombudsman concept begun during the post-independence administrative reform. By the 1960s, concerns about inefficiency, excessive discretion, and rising corruption promoted calls from an external oversight mechanism. So unlike its Scandinavian procedure, however, the Indian version assumed a dual role addressing grievances of maladministration and investigating corruption among public functions. This expansion was shaped by India's pressing governance realities. Next one,